Guys, hope you're doing good, and today I'm going to tell you about the triads of a leader. The very first triad, or the very first important thing the leader should have is creating that environment. Creating the environment here, I mean, is suppose like for example, if you have been told to drink water, like 2 to 3 liters of water a day, and it is really very difficult that you wake up each and every time and go to the kitchen room and open the fridge and drink the water. So it's really very difficult. So it's like being disciplined and creating that environment as in you keep the water bottle everywhere you go frequently, and whenever you look at it or whenever you see the water bottle, you drink the water. It's not like you have to remind your mind each and every time that you need to go and drink the water. Whenever you have been organized or you have created that environment by keeping the water bottle in your living room, or in a water bottle near a window, or water bottle near a TV where you go frequently, so that if you just see the water bottle, you will go and you will drink the water. So that is the thing where the leader need to be creating that environment. Same goes with the work. He need to create that environment with following with respect to the work, where each team member are not reminded each and every time that they need to do something really on that particular time. So that's the very first thing. The second thing is the leader should be empathetic in nature. Suppose like if it happens that you have been they are like it happens that for a week you haven't gotten substantial result. So if there are two kinds of leader, the first leader would be the first leader would come to you and he will tell you that the thing is not happening how you are doing in the past, and there's a sudden degrow in your performance. Kindly look into this and make sure that you get back to the track, or else you will be difficult. So that is the one kind of leader. And the second leader would be going to him and telling him that what is the problem with you, what has happened, do you need any help of me, let me know if there is something required from my end so that I can help you. So there are like these two kinds of leader. It's really very important where the leader is empathetic, because everyone can be straightforward as it was in the first case, but no one will love to work with the first leader. So everyone wants the leader who is empathetic, and the second leader would be the one who everyone wants to choose. So leader should be really very empathetic in his nature, so that whatever thing is happening with his teammates, he understands better, and it helps him and as well as his team to grow at the same time. And the third important triad of a leader should be it's like it is effective communicator. Yes, communication plays very important role. Communication might be in terms of written or in terms of speaking. It's both really very important to make sure that whatever work the teammates are done, it results into more productive, and effective communication should be followed by all the leaders, so that whatever is in his mind, how well he is delivering with his communication to all his teammates, and how good the team member replied to it. So that's really very important. So these are the three traits of a leader, which the leader should follow to be more productive for his team. And if the team is more productive, if the team is growing, even the leader will grow. So yeah, people, that was the triads of leader. There are many more triads apart from this. So these three I found that most important for any leader. So hope you loved this one, and please like this. Thank you.